Good morning, my dear students. I hope you're fine by God's grace. Let's begin this assignment, and I'm sure you all have completed your work of the previous assignment. Children, open to page number 12 of your history book and follow what I'm explaining to you. In order to maintain the British Army, the people of America had to pay taxes. The money raised from these taxes went to England. Now children, what do you mean by the word tax? A tax is a compulsory financial charge or some other type of levy imposed by the government. In the English Parliament, there was no American representative, which displeased the people of America. They said there was no taxation without representation. The Americans were very angry and irritated because there was no representative from their country. The Americans were especially angry with the heavy tax on tea because the Americans were very fond of drinking tea. Some Boston citizens, disguised as Red Indians, dumped the tea into the Boston harbor. The incident came to be known as Boston Tea Party. Children, this event was the first major act of defense to British rule over the colonists. The British government retaliated by passing severe laws to restore law and order. The colonists called for a meeting of all the Congress members of the 13 colonies. This was called the Continental Congress, and which was held in Philadelphia. All the Congress members decided not to trade with the British. They questioned the authority of the British Parliament over America. Now children, in May 1775, the Second Congress of the colonists met at Philadelphia, where it was decided to give full support to the revolutionaries. 13 colonies revolted, and mostly on the Atlantic coast. Now children, the Americans wanted to raise their voice against the Britishers. So they supported the revolutionaries. Now the revolutionaries were a group of people who promulgated plans and ways to fight against the Britishers and to win independence. Now in 1775, George Washington was made the commander of the American army. They fought the British for 5 years. This was known as the American War of Independence. Despite many problems and setbacks, the American colonies won their independence from the British. Now children, in 1776, in Philadelphia, Thomas Jefferson drafted the Declaration of Independence, and on July 4, it was approved by the Continental Congress. As it stated, all men are created equal, that they are endowed with rights which are life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. Children, I have explained the assignment to you. Now you do your question and answers and fill in the blanks. God bless you all.